Hey, welcome to Sherwood RV's 2-minute tour of the Adventurer 23 RB. This is a 2017-18 model. We use these both for renting and we have some for purchase. Come on along and see why they're so popular. The 23 RB sits on a Ford F-350 chassis and has a Triton V10 gas engine. On the driver's side, you'll find power heated mirrors as well as storage and access to the Onan 4000 gas generator. A little further down is more exterior storage, gas cap, as well as an outdoor shower, 30 amp service connection, black and gray tank valves, and water connections. At the back of the Adventure is a 5,000 pound max hitch, spare tire, access to the underbed storage, and a backup camera. Over on the passenger side is another power heated mirror and a large awning, under which you'll find the RV entry door, plus access to the huge LED lit storage compartment complete with folding table. Inside this Class C are the easily cleaned, comfortable dinette seats that make into a bed. These bench seats come with 2 lap belts and 2 3-point seat belts. Under the benches are 2 large storage drawers. Above the cab is a large LED lit bunk complete with safety netting, roof vent, and windows. A comfortable, well-equipped cab will make those long driving days a breeze. And in case you are still concerned with storage, check out the amount of cabinetry near the back of this floor plan. Across from that is the large double bed with cabinetry above. The 23RB has a complete kitchen with 3-way fridge, microwave, sink, stovetop, exhaust fan, and storage below. Last but not least, this Adventurer 23RB comes with a full bathroom. There is so much more to these Adventurers. If you think a motorhome might be in your future, give us a call or come on out. At Sherwood RV, we can talk adventurers all day long.